Hello? Hello?
I hear you.
If Ruth tell you say sorry because he go party, he not tell you, then in such a mother, you will still tell Ruth sorry. I beg. You understand? For beating her.
No problem. Because me, I don't feel use quarrel. No matter anything, you understand?
Okay.
Nothing I say, I think that relationship did day.
Okay.
They
Now.
don't know there again. Not be by quarrel.
Okay. Thank you.
These are those things that you got to avoid. Anybody is supposed to person will do this thing.
Thank you.
If not my sister, if not my brother, anywhere, who do it? Now go kill him.
Okay.
Because me, I feel stress with my family. I feel stress for my sister. Na innocent, Monica, na innocent. Monica only provoke, but say she can never be happy. Say your husband, wife beat him, mama. No woman will be happy.
Okay, may we leave that one now. So before I come now, the reason why I enter live video, I want beg every family, 12 now. I beg, take this thing matter. Me myself, the first video where they talk to mama, blah blah blah, I go remove one piano. You know, I don't say off my platform again. And the one with the YouTube, I go make a piano. But for this settlement and the other one, I go keep on to the know say yes, I make a great job. I know say nobody for you, I not get 1 cent from you. Rather I get 1 cent from your wife. But I want to make sure the family they happy. So wait till we can conclude now. I say may we beg the wife. See what I stay wrong. And as my brother stay wrong. So first and foremost, as he go that party, as he go that club, if you be better woman, if you be good woman, say you respect your husband, you don't fit go any party, or either Nigeria party, rather a club. Say your husband don't know you are a dirty girl, you are a dirty wife. You can still fuck on that. You can still fuck on that person. Your husband don't go know, because that man will take that man will take go that party. Not tell your husband, not tell your boyfriend you are an evil. Then the other thing, say you they do birthday. Listen, I know they lie. You they do birthday. Your husband tell you say yes, this kind thing is not good. Then you they give caution for your husband. Tell him say, now because of my birthday, within 3 days go collect her. You go remove her. They don't break only birthday and only 1 day. Once they break, Jonah, now you go call her. Call her on behalf of your husband. I beg. Osato, remove that picture. I beg. I don't need that. Thank you. Remove the picture. My husband just the call report. I beg. You not there and I make me call you. That one go. Pian, you go remove her. When your husband go say and the next time go say, daddy, don't go remove her. And the boy don't remove her. He say, don't remove her. I don't even tell herself. And that means that because of my birthday, now I can put her. So your husband call a suspect like that. For the, give her a call, you say, 3 days he could move her. Who are you? My sister.
God bless you, sir.
That
let's forget about tribalism. Okay. Let's say the reality now.
Yes. So the other
when Bible say wife be submissive to your husband, and husband do what? Love your wife. But when wife is not submissive to you as a husband, you not be guy, how can you love your wife? Even though you say get that love before, but now you don't marry about 2 characters don't come outside. That is why love they grow, they die.
Okay, but you still wait. You always still do your body. Wait.
Thank you.
So as those two things, my sister, you be Benin woman, you wrong. So brother, as you still do that thing, you for no quarrel put. As far as you know the boy by yourself, you still have right to call the boy. Then I say, my brother, now me still tell you, say me call the car. But this picture, as the birthday don't finish, remove her. I say, man, you know they are afraid of this boy. Remove her. Your wife will come and say, don't remove her. And the boy will come and say, now shockness for her. Say, your husband come and say, that birthday don't finish, remove her, I don't like her. You have right. Now, then you still wrong. For you to say, wait. And they talk the truth now. You say, Piper. When they talk that woman, your wife, you don't talk. Wait. You know what? You don't need to talk. Like me now, I go see this thing for my somebody put my picture of my wife for Instagram or anything, then I know say I don't like her. If I get that number, it's my right to call that man, say remove that picture, I beg. Me go still beg and Jonah. Because if you use her, if you say you don't go carry her, you don't go remove her, what I will do, I will beg her, say, please, I beg you in the name of God, remove that picture. I don't like her. You go remove her. That means, if my wife calls here and say, don't remove her, my wife said, me say, the boy don't remove her, I say, nah, you don't know, say, I mean, go tell her. You understand? But next time, me come hear from my wife, say, now you go call her, make you remove her. They waiting both of them, they'll call tell me. Now that 50 person. Now that I bury myself. I don't care. Because love is blind. You understand? So now there you still wrong. As a man.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry to cut you short right now.
Okay.
So if I'm not going to call the boy with the issue number one, you know some because this boy and boy want lawyer. You understand? So we don't want me feel bad. And number two, because my enemy is stay for Nigeria, which is 6 months and something like that, you know. So along the line, so me and my wife, they don't become casual friends. You understand? They don't do tight well, you know. So people say they don't become casual friends. See, this thing when they use that casual friend left, they call the boy say, may remove her. Now if we start to see use, you understand? Because me, I don't they come back from home. I don't need problem. I know what they try to talk about. So even though me say tell my wife, if my wife get respect for me, now very simple something. If my wife obey me, you know go hear this matter now. I don't like her. Tell me can be the good one. What you do, you call the boy. I dare you, you put my picture for your. You want me, my wife, my husband is perfect, or whatever. Then you tell the boy, me remove my immediately. Then now they condition me because they would day away, would they you? If my talk, they will not for women to call police.
Okay, thank you.
Don't make sense,
Okay, wait now. No, you want to judge this matter now. You want to do the judgment today. Your wife, I will call her. If they sleep, that means she disrespect me. That means I'll just forget about this matter. My brother, this thing we are talking just now, very important. Whether the judge come from Nigeria, now you let that boy know your wife, know the family. You know, concern you, not they look eyes. If person want to do anything, not they look eyes. Throw away your eyes, do what you want to do. Do what is with your mind. Not they look people. That's one thing as a man. Then the other thing, you to the ash. You to the ash. Not be everything as a man, you go the ash put. No,
hey, pa, you face camera at my house. I tell us at the house.
Me I be man. Me I be obo native doctor before. Listen, you to the
ash. You be native doctor before, but you don't pass God though.
God is controlling everybody. You hear?
So that one, now God may I believe.
Okay, you believe on God. Now you
yes.
Now you throw away hand for woman. Bye. You slap her.
I tell you know me believe man. Your wife was slapping me, you never make go free. What come they talking about?
No, my brother, not be every time.
Your wife was preach on you.
Oh God.
You will pour your feet. When your wife go free, yes or no, answer me.
Wait, not be that day speak for you.
If your wife even go free, your name like the Murphy, my name like Evans.
Wait.
So I say, no, different men that they see.
Wait now.
A different character.
Wait till Bible talk.
Don't tell me stand as you are not living with me.
Okay, sorry.
May you
wait. You see now? See the harshness now. Me tell you say
no, nobody will know the ash. Even when Jesus Christ, they put when Jesus Christ, the tongue is it where the tongue is it? Jerusalem, where they turn his father's house to Market Square. Even when Jesus Christ enter, he begs, he begin to destroy the table. So why would they turn my father's house to a Market Square? If Jesus Christ can verse, if Jesus Christ want to say, I give life. If I give you life, he say, I give and I take. If Jesus Christ verse, if you want to take life, someone's life, no matter how that person is from, you don't know, whatever, you will take his life.
Okay, but now Jesus Christ, he talk, say, If you slap me this side, give her the other side, make it slap. Not because they talk.
That one against us. If person slapping you in back, you know, coach.
We got to respect the law. If not, you love God, respect the way of God. If you love anything, respect the way of that thing. That be the something.
Yes, I love God and the practice because Christianity, we all the practice with the learn. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
We decide to hear the word of God.
I don't think for you since I beg, wait till I want beg you now. May we just make this case so everything. I want because wait till I see for the now woman. Woman is everything. If you really love your wife, you can tell your wife, darling, I'm sorry. Then you go still, I'll still call and he go tell you, say, because two things, nothing wrong. He go tell you double sorry. Wait.
If I offend my wife, I'm going to down, beg down. You know that you off my body. But if I don't offend her, I'm going to do that one, as a moment. I don't know my left, I don't know my right.
My brother. Everybody, my brother, this life is just a small world. There's nothing in this life. Whether you say you want to marry or whether you say you don't go marry, whether you say, okay, you love those children, sorry, no kill you for anything. Then she go still call you, sorry, love. He go call your own. Love. I tell her now, so you go call her. Because now she wrong you for other certain things. Then the way you take beat her and the way you take react.
If I want you to this morning, I never eat him. My phone can't buy you.
Tell her, say sorry, my brother.
Who I want to say sorry?
Your wife. Tell her, say sorry.
I'll pay the one I tell her sorry.
Wait, now now she beat you, but you can't beat her bad. You can't beat her join.
No, she no beat me. Nothing beat me.
She go tell you sorry.
I tell you to beat me.
Okay, wait to.
Did I tell my wife? Did I tell my wife is bad on me?
Okay, wait.
She didn't beat me.
Wait, in Europe, in Europe, let's follow the Europe law. Now Europe today, let's be here.
She beat my mother. Don't give me a beat.
She go call your mother sorry now. Don't tell you that one since. I mean, you want me to first tell your mother sorry before you come tell her say sorry.
Even though she tell my mother sorry, I don't have to be to tell her. Sorry for what? It's because some other guy put a picture for profile.
My brother,
now I'm telling her sorry too.
My brother, you don't talk one thing just now. You say you are not suspecting her that nothing is wrong. If you dey talk this thing, that means the word that your wife said before, it's like you still have it on mind. That is what I'm looking.
I don't have it in mind. That the reaction when she take by taking my mother, by taking the whole family to Facebook. My brother went be innocent when take her as a wife, as a best friend. What do you consider that one for his side?
Okay.
I'm not saying expose her past this wife. I don't want to expose her. If I say make I expose her, more from that, I don't want to expose her. So it's okay like this.
Okay.
I need to respect your age. You understand? So that's why I'm begging you that I want to eat.
That is okay, no problem. That is.
Don't do me a favor. Don't upload those videos away. Okay. I accept your apologies. You understand?
Okay.
So there's no problem about that. You understand? And I will do what you said. I will make this.
Okay, thank you.
Please.
Yeah. My woman. Hello. Hello. So thank you everybody. Let me call if there is something hidden on this something, you understand? There is something, so I don't think they have to go home and settle this matter. There is something hidden on this thing. If you know the love is, you hate you dislike your woman, or you dislike your husband, then forget about the husband, forget about the home, and wake up to another home. That is what I will advise you. If you know you don't love your wife, then you want to marry another woman because of the property you said both of you built. My brother, it's left for both of you. But the way it is just easy for you to tell your wife sorry. But those people that is give you that power, don't say that, don't do this, don't do that. Well, it's a pity. It's a pity for you because it's not my wife. I can tell my wife 100 times sorry if I offended, even though she offended me because I don't want my home to break. So like something like so like her. So if you are there advising that person not to say sorry, now you know. Lucy, hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. So
Hello?
now no, because now don't talk my own.
Immediately back.
Now I don't talk my own, so I don't have anything to say in this matter anymore. Hello. Hello. So thank you all. God bless you. Hello.
Hello?
You said about Wesley. You said so we have to Wesley wa hin we. Yan ya ta wo wa.